Oh, hey everybody, how are you? My name's Scott Rossick, and I am Best Behaved Kids. We are a behavioral consulting agency focusing on helping families and children overcome some very significant behavioral challenges. I myself am a board certified behavior analyst, or BCBA. I'm a school principal of a public school program for kids with autism and behavioral disabilities, and I teach college graduate level courses on applied behavior analysis. I have two great colleagues that work with me, Paula and Zach. Paula is of a social work background. She has a full understanding of challenging behavior, full understanding of mental health and mental health supports available, and she speaks three languages: English, Spanish, and Hebrew. Zach is an accomplished behavior analyst himself. He's been working with families and youth in the home and community, and also in a school setting over a number of years. As mentioned, our expertise is in helping families and their children overcome real challenging behavior. We do that through what's called a behavior skills training model. This model incorporates four key components. One is teaching and training the family about the core principles of applied behavior analysis. The second is modeling interventions, how to put them into practice so that the family can see how this all works. The third component is helping and having the family actually implement the interventions, and then we follow that up with feedback and ongoing support over our time with the family. We've worked with families to address all types of behavior, whether it's toilet training, whether it's temper tantrums, physical, verbal aggression, you name it, we have experience in helping to address it. I should also note that we've worked with all age levels, from preschool all the way through age 21. We have experience with it all. We are absolute proponents of the wraparound model. I've had so many experiences where I see how that collaborative approach, people from different backgrounds and disciplines, professionals, non-professionals, all come together to support a child and family. I agree with it so much to the point that in my college course last week, when we were talking about collaboration, I specifically used the wraparound model as the demonstration for the ultimate in collaboration and fostering great outcomes for kids and families. A couple things set us apart. One is our absolute dedication to the children and families that we work with. I've been doing this a long time, as have Paula and Zach, and for us it's all about fostering those great outcomes. On top of that, fostering sustainability. We fully recognize that we are not doing our job if we are not there providing and sharing our knowledge with the family members so that they can take it and run with it and implement it over time when no other supports are there for them. The other thing is our fostering of self-management of behavior. For very young kids, they need a lot of people around them to help change things. But as kids get older and they move into their teenage years, it's all about giving them the skills that they can take moving forward to help themselves be the most productive and positive citizens as possible. Finally, an unmatched level of experience with a focus on the whole family. You see, we recognize that in order to change, modify, and improve a child's behavior, it requires behavior change for just about everybody involved, not just the child. So when we go in and work with a family and mom or dad or grandma, whoever says, okay, here he is, do your work, we say, okay, but we're going to work with you as well. Because if everybody's not involved, this is not going to be effective. So there's a little bit of a taste for you. Again, we are Best Behaved Kids. You can contact us through phone or email. I'm always happy to share more about our experiences, our successes, and tell you a little bit more about the work that we do. Be well, everyone.